Hawthorne Photonics Group is adding to its family, how the group's latest acquisition advances its portfolio of laser tech. An alternative to silicon could change how we develop optical sensors. We'll tell you about the material that could prove to be more manageable for high-growth applications. And investment groups are spending big on photonics. We have a list of the companies cashing in on their latest funding rounds. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Thor Labs, pioneering photonics technologies to accelerate research and development. Visit thorlabs.com to learn more. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Hawthorne Photonics Group is adding to its portfolio by integrating laser equipment supplier Radiantis. Radiantis will join sister companies Covetion and ADVR under the Hawthorne umbrella after those two merged last month. This latest addition brings new experience in optical parametric oscillators and tunable lasers to Hawthorne. Radiant Optoelectronics is in the process of purchasing Inkron, a Finnish leader in the manufacturing of advanced optical materials. The Taiwanese maker of display tech says this acquisition will help Radiant build a next-generation optical manufacturing platform. Radiant will pay just over $7 million for all shares of the company. The deal is expected to close next month. Challenging a mainstay approach to the development of image sensors, researchers have discovered a way to use lead halide perovskite as a substitute for silicon. Teams at ETH Zurich and EMPA found that perovskite allows sensors to utilize every photon of light for color recognition. The semiconductor crystalline material showed to be easier to process than silicon. Its physical properties also vary with its exact chemical composition, another added advantage. In personnel news, laser equipment supplier Optimon is naming Cyrus Driver as CEO. Driver has more than 20 years of experience leading tech groups like Simpatico Systems and Time Warner Cable. And Power Photonic, a provider of precision optics, has named Amanda Robertson to Group CEO. This is part of a greater transition that will move co-founder Roy McBride to Director of Strategy and Growth. Effect Photonics has raised $24 million in Series D funding, bringing the total of its latest round of funding to $62 million. Now, this was just one of many groups seeing a boom of investments. In just the past week, Photon Path closed on nearly $6 million, Sway Photonics added $7 million, and QNect brought in $10 million from Series A funding. And quantum sensing company Quark Technologies has completed a second maritime trial of a cold atom-based atomic clock. Researchers called this test a milestone for position, navigation, and timing technology, adding that this breakthrough could reduce reliance on satellite systems for navigation. Quark worked with the British Royal Navy on this project, using a unique method of trapping atoms that is ideal for miniaturization thanks to its reduced component count and lower power requirements. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all your latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.